Welcome to one of the most advanced shopping cart factories in the world, where raw steel transforms into the carts that fill supermarkets globally. Every shopping cart begins its journey with precision and care, inspected and handled by skilled workers before machines shape it into a finished product. From deep beneath the earth, iron ore begins its journey to become the strong steel used in modern shopping carts. Giant trucks carry the raw iron ore that will eventually form the metal skeleton of every shopping cart. The raw material travels from the mine toward the next stage of industrial transformation. The iron ore is fed into powerful systems that prepare it for steel production. Crushing systems refine the raw ore into pieces ready for the steel-making process. The ore is sorted carefully to ensure the correct material quality for strong steel. Continuous conveyors move the valuable ore toward the next step of its industrial journey. Rail transport moves massive quantities of ore toward steel-making facilities. The journey leads to the steel mill, where raw ore will be transformed into durable metal. Here begins the transformation of raw earth into the steel that will shape modern shopping carts. The raw iron ore has now become molten steel, cast into billets that will form the frame of every shopping cart. Cooling systems stabilize the steel before it moves to shaping and wire production. Precision cutting prepares the steel rods for transport to specialized manufacturing plants. The steel rods are organized into transport bundles ready for shipment to cart factories. Industrial forklifts move the prepared steel toward outbound transportation. Easy now, lower it steady. Chain it tight, watch your hands, where shopping carts are built.
Clear, start up!
Across highways and industrial roads, the materials move closer to their The raw materials have reached the place where carts used in supermarkets around the world are built. Inside the facility, the transformation from steel rods to shopping carts will soon begin. The steel is now inside the factory, ready to enter the first stages of cart production. The factory stores and organizes steel materials before sending them into the production line. Skilled workers prepare to operate the machines that shape steel into everyday shopping carts. Advanced machines prepare to bend each piece into the familiar geometry of a shopping cart. This is where thousands of steel shopping carts are produced every week for supermarkets around the world. Raw steel rods begin their journey through the machines that will shape the cart frame. These precisely cut pieces will soon become the structural skeleton of the shopping cart. The straight steel wire now begins transforming into the recognizable parts of a shopping cart. The shaped metal pieces move toward the next stage, where the cart frame will be permanently assembled. Precision straightening ensures the metal wire will form accurate cart structures. Every section of steel must meet exact measurements before shaping begins.
This one looks good, send it to welding. Next piece is clear.
Industrial washing systems remove oils and debris from the metal surfaces. Clean water rinses away any remaining cleaning chemicals from the metal parts. Controlled drying ensures the steel is perfectly prepared for further processing. Smart sorting systems organize the parts needed for each section of the cart.
This bend is off, setting it.
Careful inspection guarantees that only flawless components continue down the production line. The familiar grid pattern of the shopping cart basket begins taking shape. Strong base frames provide stability and strength for every shopping cart. All prepared components now converge at the welding lines, where the cart structure will be assembled. At this stage, separate steel pieces start becoming a unified shopping cart structure. Precision robotic welding permanently joins the wire grids that form the shopping cart basket. Reinforced side panels give the shopping cart its strength and durability. Individual components combine into the recognizable shape of a shopping cart basket. The base structure is welded to support heavy grocery loads. The front gate allows carts to nest together for efficient storage. Reinforcement bars ensure the cart frame can endure years of heavy use. The handle frame is welded in place, forming the part customers push through the store. The lower frame supports the weight of groceries and the wheels below. After welding, the steel frames must cool before finishing processes begin. Grinding machines refine the welded joints, preparing the carts for final transformation. Clean steel ensures coatings bond perfectly to the cart structure. Galvanized zinc protects shopping carts from rust and weather. Chemical treatment prepares the shopping cart steel surface for protective coating. Heat removes moisture before protective coating begins. Cooling stabilizes the protective metal coating. Surface finishing ensures the carts look clean and professional.
Thickness is 85 microns. Confirmed. Within spec. All clear. Send it forward. Sending it now.
Comfort components prepare to complete the cart design. The cart frames are ready for their final functional components. Automated molding machines produce the durable hubs that form the center of every shopping cart wheel. The handle is the part customers interact with most. Rubber tire systems create the outer layer that allows shopping carts to roll smoothly. Additional safety features are installed to make shopping carts family-friendly. The child seat area ensures safe and comfortable seating during shopping trips. The finished carts now move toward rigorous quality testing. Final polishing ensures every cart looks clean and professional. Branding plates identify carts belonging to specific supermarket chains. Load tests confirm the cart can carry heavy grocery loads safely. Continuous wheel testing ensures long-term reliability. Stability tests confirm the cart remains balanced during real use. Only fully approved carts move forward to final packaging and shipment. Corrosion testing guarantees the protective coating will last for years. Nesting allows hundreds of shopping carts to be transported efficiently. Bundled carts are prepared for shipment. Industrial logistics move carts across the facility. Warehouses hold carts ready for global distribution. The finished carts are prepared for delivery. Modern factories produce thousands of carts every week. Retail networks receive the newly manufactured carts. The carts begin their journey to supermarkets.
And this is how modern factories produce shopping carts from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.